Hello viewers, in today's video let's talk about one essential baby care product which is baby bottle cleaning brush. If you're a new parent or to be, please continue watching this video. Feeding bottles are one essential important thing when having kids. That too, we need a lot of frequent cleaning and they look years old just after few uses. All is because of the type of brush we use for cleaning the bottles. Now let's see the types of brushes available in the market. There be like plastic bristles with sponges, just sponge brushes or silicone brushes. And these brushes are available in different sizes based on your need. We can use it for cleaning the bottles, straws or just the nipples. So we can choose as per our need. And here if you see I have experimented with two different bottles of the same brand which are bought in the same time. So you can see which one looks new and which one looks older, right? Yeah, I use two type of brushes. Like one you can see it is plastic bristles and another one is silicone bristles. And I've used the silicone bristles one for the green one. By the way it looks, you can see how new it looks. And on the other hand, if you see the yellow bottle, you can see how old it looks with a lot of scratches. Yeah, so the silicone brushes are for efficient cleaning and they are scratch proof and long lasting. They are available in different shapes and it also fulfills different cleaning purposes. But if you see, the plastic bristles are out of shape and the sponge is almost gone and the bottle is full of scratches already. But the bottle which used the silicone brushes, it looks new. So I go with silicone brushes, guys. It looks good and even after a long time it looks good and makes the bottle looks freakingly clean and looks as new. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such useful videos. Thanks again. Bye.